Hey guys, so got a lot of leaves here. Also a lot here along the edge here. I thought I'd pull out the Toro super blower back. I have it converted into a leaf vac. It's been a long time since we've actually have used this machine as a leaf vac. And you see it's got, has the bag. See there, it says Toro. It's all dirty and filthy. And it's got a shoulder strap though. It's all filthy as hell. I'm not gonna put that on my shoulder. And so let's see how well this will work. Well, let me go through here. Yeah, see, I got a pretty short cord, so I'm not going to be going very far. And so, let's turn it on, and let's see how well it works. Not too bad. Does a pretty good job though. And let me set this down and let me unzip the bag, see how much we picked up. I can't get it unzipped all the way, but no, not too much. Yes, let me get this thing unzipped all the way. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see it. See all the leaf mulch a lot better. So I'll just dump that into the compost. And so thought I'd give you a little short demo on this machine with the leaf vac attachment. So, hope you enjoyed the video.